Prime Minister Narendra Modi has condoned the death of 15 labourers who were crushed to death early in the morning by a truck in a tragic incident near Gujarat's Surat. The Prime Minister tweeted, and I quote, "The loss of lives due to a truck accident in Surat is tragic. My thoughts are with the bereaved families, praying that the injured recover at the earliest. Ex gratia of rupees 2 lakhs each from the PMNRF would be given to the next of kin of those who've lost their lives due to the accident in Surat. Rupees 50,000 would be given to those injured. Meanwhile, the truck driver has been nabbed." My colleague Priyanka is joining us for more details. Priyanka, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has taken cognizance of the unfortunate accident that is grappling Surat right now, where 15 labourers sleeping near a road have lost their lives. We spoke to you at 7 a.m. also when we broke this news. Now we're getting in news that an ex gratia has also been announced by the Prime Minister. The latest developments that you are picking up.
Well, absolutely. As of now, ex gratia amount of 2 lakhs has been announced by the Prime Minister. He tweeted about this, and 50,000 each to all of those who have sustained injuries in this accident. Let us remind our viewers, in fact, around midnight last night, the truck had this accident. The prima facie report by the police also states that the driver had lost control of the steering wheel, after which this accident had taken place, where it had slipped over and had fallen on these labourers who were sleeping on the side of the road. These are basically migrant workers who had travelled from Banswara in Rajasthan, and they had been working in Surat in the diamond mills and the textile mills, all of those other factory areas as well. In fact, this was a factory area where this accident has taken place, and the driver apparently also has sustained major injuries as well. And unfortunately, as from when we had reported from 7 a.m., one more person has lost their life in the hospital itself when they had been admitted to treat their injuries. Several of them have also sustained head injuries for which their treatment is going on. Apart from that, of course, the officials have said that an investigation will take place as to why this accident had taken place. Was there a technical difficulty, and what exactly was the state of the driver as well when he was driving this truck, which made him lose control of the steering wheel as well.
Right. Many thanks, Priyanka, for getting us the latest developments that we are tracking. Shocking incident, shocking, sad incident that's been reported from Surat in Gujarat. The 15 labourers have been crushed by a truck, with Prime Minister Narendra Modi taking cognizance and condoned the deaths and announced an ex gratia for the next of kin as well.